So this one can seem really intimidating when you take a look at it at first, but I assure you there's a very simple way to solve this. So let's take a look at what they are asking. They're giving us this monster of an equation and said that the formula above gives the monthly payment M needed to pay off a loan of P dollars at R% annual interest over N months. Okay. Which of the following gives P in terms of M, R, and N? So essentially what it turns out is that I don't even need to know what the meaning of all of these values are, because all they really want me to do is take these equation in which M is expressed in terms of R, N, and P and rewrite it so that P is expressed in terms of M, R, and N. So we'll go from having our equation saying M is equal to all this stuff, change it so that it is P is equal to all of that stuff. And the trick here is to realize that instead of, let's say, all this complicated terms, if, for example, I had, instead of this, I had A, instead of this, I had B, and then instead of this at the bottom, I had C, right? My equation would look something like this. M is equal to A times B over C times P. This is a much simpler equation to work with, and because I don't actually have to calculate anything, I'm just rearranging things, then I'm going to use this method of solving to make it easier for me, because I don't have so much time on the exam to write all this down. And in order to solve for P, what I have to do is just take AB over C and multiply both sides by C over AB. And then what that helps me do is get rid of C like that, get rid of A and B like that, and now I have P is equal to C over A, B times N. Now I just have to go and find the answer choice that matches the letters here. So C was this term right here, 1 over R, 1 plus R over 1200 to the power of N minus 1. Answer choice A doesn't have this at the top, so I automatically eliminate that. Choice B has that on the top, right? So this is what I have on the top. So this is actually my answer, especially since so this is C, this is A, this is B, and that's M right here. This is what I have. But just to show you the rest of the answer choices, choice C somehow got rid of the rest of the terms, and that's wrong. And then D is the also the wrong choice, because again, somehow it got rid of all the other terms, which is not what we're doing here. So that's also the wrong choice. That leaves B as the only possible answer.